The Guyana Sugar Corporation, GuySuCo, has re-employed close to 500 persons at the Rosal Sugar Estate to strengthen the factory's workforce to begin operation. During the consideration of estimates and expenditures of Budget 2022 on Tuesday, Minister Zulfikar Mustapha announced that some 41% of works in the factory has been completed.
The $4 billion that is in the capital program for GuySuCo will go to do that, and also to go to part will go to enhance the reopening of Rosal Estate. We have already employed close to about 500 persons at Rosal Estate already, and I'm hoping that this year we'll continue to employ those persons who were put on the breadline and dismissed by the AP and UAFC government.
Minister Mustapha said the estate's administrative body continues to embark on strategic plans, especially to improve cultivation. Works valued some $18.5 million were conducted last year at the factory to rehabilitate the process house roof, while another $26.7 million contract was awarded for the replacement of the number 2 chimney. Resources were also made available to repair the boiler and the milling plant roof. Minister Mustapha said the $4 billion budgeted to conduct critical works at GuySuCo will further accelerate the administration's plan to revitalize the sugar industry.
That is our main objective, is to break even. We have a strategic plan that we're working with now. As I said, that the 3 operating estates will enhance that tremendously this year. And we are moving to ensure that we add also value added to a component to the production.
The minister also said GuySuCo has proven to be an entity that goes way beyond the provision of sugar.
These estates were closed by AFC. It was destroyed because when we went there, it was destroyed by the AFC. And as I said, they want us to reopen it within 1 year and then destroy the entire estate. They cannibalize the Wales estate so much so that it cannot be reopened. That's the history of APNU, AFC. When they touch something, it's beyond repairs, it's beyond redemption, and that you all are doing in this country.
The Sugar Corporation has already reintroduced mechanical harvesting at the Blairmont Sugar Estate to boost manual operations. Another $6 billion has been allocated to GuySuCo this year to further turn around the industry's field and factory operations. Government will focus mainly on upgrading and mechanizing the field operations and expanding packaging capabilities. The administration wants the sugar industry to remain steadfast and production to expand, despite being shattered during the previous AP and UFC government tenure.